Paulownia tomentosa, my favorite tree and the hardest to spell. The foxglove tree. Why is it so fantastic? Look at these lovely flowers. Doesn't have any nectar. So this evolved probably before bees did. And in those days, they were pollinated by beetles. When we've had our successful pollination, we then need to find a way to spread the resultant seeds. Scattering seeds, there they go. So that's wind dispersal of tiny little seeds. And over here, we've got the beginnings of the enormous leathery leaves, as big as a dinner plate. Absolutely wonderful thing, and grows surprisingly fast. I planted this about 14 years ago and it was maybe 6 foot. It is actually, I found out today, the world's fastest growing hardwood. Paulownia tomentosa. P-A-U-L-O-M, Paul-O-N-I-A-T-O-M-E-N-T-O-S-A.